Hi everyone, Nancy with Ash's Treasure Homesteading and Gardening. And I've talked about our channel being dairy free, egg free, and coconut free. Well, we're not egg free anymore because she doesn't have an egg allergy, and semi coconut free, but mostly dairy free. We use almond milk, vegan cheeses, and everything. But I know people have wondered, what do you eat on a dairy free diet? Is not a dairy free diet, because a diet is what you eat. Dairy free living, let's put it that way. Well, we still get to have our usuals, and one of them is my son's beef stew, and we had this last night, and I've been meaning to always do a video. It's so nice and thick because of the starches from the potatoes. So let's see here. Okay. Nice spoonful. It's carrots and beef. We've got potatoes, and they put celery, carrots, potatoes, onions, garlic, beef tips. Yeah. This is very good. So good that excuse me. I apologize. I don't like eating in front of people. That's kind of rude. So, but yes, he used to put cornstarch in it to thicken it up, but then he realized, when I told him, I said, because he makes 2 pots, I said, don't put one cornstarch in ours, which is me and Anastasia's, because he makes theirs spicy hot. My son and my daughter-in-law. So he didn't put one time he didn't put any cornstarch in it, and the starches from the potatoes thickens it up just like that. There is liquid, but when it sits overnight, it thickens up really good. So if you want a little bit more of a liquid, or the stew, your broth a little bit more, just add a little bit more broth to it the next day and heat it right back up. I wish I did heat it back up, but it's still so good. So that is one thing that we do get to still have on a dairy-free living, is beef stew. The broth is no dairy in it. We use Swanson's. But now that I have a pressure canner, I can start making my own broth. Yay! And also, on the last video, I was talking about the stuff I got from Menards and Rural King, RK. I forgot one thing. I don't know if this will reach over there. I've been wanting a small one, because we have the big cast iron skillets, the big 12-inch. This is it says an 8-inch. It's the 8-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet I got Menards for $5.99, $6.99, something like that. But I was just like, that was such a great price, because sometimes I just don't want to use the big one. We're just using the small one to make eggs or a grilled cheese sandwich. So, yes. And we'll do a video about the cheeses that we use also, because we've changed the brands. So, stay tuned for that video. And if y'all haven't, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Ring that bell for notifications. And look forward for the next food adventure that we have, eating dairy free. And we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure Homesteading and Gardening. Y'all have a wonderful day.